Our focus for today's class is on understanding occupation. Occupation can be defined as any legal job in which people engage to earn a living. Classification of occupations. Extractive occupation. This involves extracting natural resources from soil, sea, or forest, including farming, fishing, hunting, lumbering, mining, and quarrying. Manufacturing occupation. Workers in this occupation change the form of raw materials into finished or semi-finished products, for example, raw rubber to vehicle tires or raw cotton to textile materials. Constructive occupation. Workers in this occupation assemble various components from extractive and manufacturing industries to build organized usable structures, such as constructing buildings. Commercial occupation. This secondary occupation involves providing goods and services to consumers, such as insurance, transport, advertising, warehousing, communication, banking, and finance. Direct services. These services involve giving satisfaction, amusement, entertainment, and rendering personal services directly to others, such as barbering, musicians, doctors, stewards, and actors. Indirect services. These involve workers who render services to the public and are paid by the government, such as civil servants, policemen, soldiers, customs officials, and fire service personnel. Factors influencing occupation. Education and training. Natural skills and talent. Remuneration. Government policy. Personal interest. Nature of available jobs. Age. Sex. Customs or family background. Geographical features. Extraneous factors like health, life ambitions, and peer pressure. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.